What up, barflies and barfleas? Today we are once again partnered up with ecozy to bring you another ice machine review. Today we are reviewing the ecozy Smart Nugget Ice and Water Dispenser. This machine is pretty much a first of its kind. This is the first time that I've seen a machine that does not have a bin that catches the ice, but rather puts the ice in the top of the machine and dispenses it down into a glass. This thing is actually really cool because it has a really nice LCD display and it has a lot of different features. One of the main things that you can do with this thing is not only dispense the water just like a free-flowing water where you start and stop it manually, but it also dispenses in specific portions. So you can do a 6 ounce, 12 ounce, 16 ounce, 18 ounce, and 24 ounce dispense, whether you fill it up with ice and then you're offsetting the volume with water in bigger and smaller containers. You have a setting for every single pretty much receptacle that could fit underneath this thing. It is very easy to operate. All you do is open up this little bin in the front of the machine and fill it up with water. It has a convenient little measuring system right there and a window so you can see the level of water, whether you have too much or too little. Press start and it's ready to go. The other thing that's really great about this is that it tells you the TDS, that's the total dissolved solids of your water. So it tells you basically how clean your water is. Gives you the ambient temperature of the room and it gives you the temperature of the water. The nice thing about these nugget ice machines is that obviously they have like cocktail applications, and that's why we're talking about it on this channel, but also a lot of people love to have their like soda and soft drinks and stuff, and even water just on Pebble Ice. I don't know what it is about humans, but humans love Pebble Ice, and this is a way to save you from having to go to Sonic to get it, I guess. And you don't have to store it in the fridge, it's just right in your countertop. It has a nice internal light that lights up, so at night, if you're like in a darkened kitchen or whatever and you want to see the water level, you can see it, and it actually shines that light into the glass as it's pouring, so you can see everything that's going on in low light situations. The other thing that's really convenient about this machine is that it has one-touch self-cleaning, so that you can clean out the lines. The only thing that is recommended is that you want to make sure that you are using water that has a TDS of lower than 200, which is both healthier water for you, but then also it's going to help with the lifespan of the machine as well. I use basic filtered water for the machine and it's been completely fine. But of course you're going to want to use that cleaning cycle every now and again because there will be mineral deposits that build up in the machine as it is used, and you want to make sure that you want to flush those out before it gets too gunky and starts causing problems with the machine. Another nice thing about this machine is that in most nugget ice machines, when the nugget ice is made and it comes down into the little tank that holds the ice is pretty wet. And this ice right up here, I'm not sure exactly why. Maybe it's because of the way that the ice is stored at the top of the machine. The ice is actually pretty dry, so it is tempered, but it's pretty dry. So it actually comes out a lot less wet, which is nice when you're making cocktails with it because it's easier to control the dilution. This thing is basically able to be completely controlled from your phone. It has a smart scheduling feature through the app so that you can control the machine on the ecozy app. You can then schedule your ice making and you can turn the machine on and off, which is convenient because then you can schedule it to make ice and run the machine on off-peak hours to save on your electricity bill. Or if you want ice when you are, coming home from work or somewhere and you want the machine ready to have ice as soon as you get home. It's pretty easy to schedule your ice making. You just want to open the app. You can do a timed start if you time a start and then just time it for 30 minutes. Or you can just start it right away from the app. Just say we're going to start it at 8 o'clock and we're going to go till 10 o'clock. And then you can do it once daily or select days of the week. We're going to select days of the week and we'll just do Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday and then confirm. I have not seen a machine yet that is this interactive and then also high tech. The addition of the phone and scheduling and everything is pretty awesome. This thing is $600, which kind of puts it into the luxury market of ice machines, but for me, it's well worth it if you have the expendable income. I just have one gripe about this machine, and that is that it has this water tank in the front. It does not have a way to hardwire it to a water line in the back, which I would think that for this machine, it would be really convenient to have it be able to be connected to a water line so that you don't have to keep on refilling your tank and it just refills itself. So I'm hoping that ecozy will make that available in future generations of this machine. But all in all, it's a high recommend. I really do love this machine. It's pretty great. We got this handy dandy Pebble Ice dispensing machine. We might as well make a cocktail. And you know what I'm feeling like right now? I'm feeling like just like a really simplified Mai Tai. So we're just gonna grab our glass. I'm gonna show you guys how easy this is. We're gonna get our glass. We're gonna dance on over to our ecozy dispenser. We're gonna go like this, and we're just going to press the ice button. And it's gonna fill it up with Pebble Ice. We got our Pebble Ice. Oh, I was like looking around. Not a jigger, that's not what I need. I need one of these guys. And we're gonna do just real simple, real simple. We're gonna just keep it simple today. So we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, 1/2 ounce of Orgeat, which is almond syrup, as you guys know. Put that back, I don't know why I did that. 1/2 ounce orange Curacao, and then 2 ounces rum. Since we're too lazy to make a Mai Tai blend, we're just gonna be using this lovely Appleton 12. And we're just gonna try to kill the whole bottle. We're doing 2 ounces of it. Didn't get to kill the whole bottle, so just gonna have to deal. Then we're gonna go over here, get our ice again, just a little bit. That's about it. Give this guy a whip shake. There we go. Simplified Mai Tai.